crews from Seattle are playing a key role in finding parts of the Space Shuttle Columbia.
It's been almost 2 months since parts of the shuttle rained down over Texas, and vital parts are still missing from that spacecraft. King 5's Gary Chittum joining us now live from the newsroom with an exclusive look inside the most difficult search site of them all, and that's the water. Gary.
That's right, Joyce. The Environmental Protection Agency's Seattle-based dive team is known for working in low visibility, deep, cold water. Usually they're looking for some type of toxic contamination, but when they got the call to help find shuttle parts, they were happy to do it.
It was hard enough to track down all the tiny pieces of the shuttle that fell to Earth in Texas. They were spread out over a huge pattern. In the middle of that pattern, Toledo Bend Reservoir. Scientists think there may be large pieces of the shuttle on the bottom, so they called in dive teams to find them. But as divers from Seattle's EPA office soon discovered, they would be searching in nearly impossible conditions.
Is it free of the tree or twisted around?
We are able now to take you down with the divers for a very rare look at what they were dealing with. This is searching at its most challenging. Divers are literally combing the bottom by feel. They say they've encountered entire standing forests in the reservoir. They're crawling through them inch by inch, stopping to inspect everything they find. It is taking them weeks to cover as much ground as land crews can cover in a day. Divers lowered down sophisticated sonar equipment in hopes it could detect large metal pieces of Columbia. They've had very little luck. It's an underwater braille trail full of challenges and empty leads. But NASA says future space exploration depends on the hidden clues to this disaster. That's what divers try to focus on each time they go under.
Now, you might be wondering why the EPA is involved at all. Well, at the beginning of this whole deal, the shuttle, of course, had some toxic components, and the EPA inspectors needed to look at every shuttle piece before it was handled. This job is a long way from completion. Seattle's EPA dive crew is searching right now in Texas. Reporting live from the newsroom, Gary Chittum, King 5 News. Back
Gary,
to you.
thank you.